This one looks more interesting. Example 3, how many radians is 225 degrees? How many radians? Radians is to pi as 225 degrees is to 180 degrees. Solving for r. I'm going to multiply by pi to cancel that to get r by itself. But what I do to one side, I must do to the other. And so the radians, the answer for r, is equal to whatever this reduces to. Both of these numbers are reducible by 5. I'm going to take 225 divide by 5. I'm just going to reduce that, and I get 45. Just to sort of write that out. 45. And then 180 divided by 5. 36. Well, these are both reducible by 9. So 9 goes here 5 times. 9 goes here 4 times. So my answer is 5/4 pi. A better way to write that is 5 pi over 4, just to simplify that for you.